In this video we will talk about Web3 and its key features. 1. What is Web3? 2. Why Web3 is going popular day by day. 3. How you can earn with Web3. 4. Job opportunities in Web3? What is Web3? Web3, short for Web 3.0, refers to the next generation of the Internet that aims to revolutionize the way we interact and transact online. While Web 1.0 was primarily focused on static web pages and Web 2.0 introduced dynamic content and user-generated platforms, Web 3.0 takes it a step further by incorporating decentralized technologies and principles. At its core, Web3 envisions a decentralized Internet where power and control are distributed among its users rather than being concentrated in the hands of centralized authorities. It leverages blockchain technology, decentralized networks, and cryptographic protocols to enable peer-to-peer interactions, trustless transactions, and secure data sharing. If you have not subscribed our channel, please take a while and subscribe it. Key elements and concepts associated with Web3 include: decentralization. Web3 promotes decentralization by eliminating or reducing reliance on central authorities. Instead, it emphasizes the use of decentralized networks and consensus mechanisms, such as blockchain, to enable peer-to-peer interactions and eliminate single points of failure. Blockchain technology. Web3 heavily relies on blockchain technology to provide transparency, immutability, and security. Blockchains enable the creation of decentralized applications, DApps, and smart contracts that operate autonomously and are resistant to censorship. Cryptography. Cryptographic protocols play a vital role in Web3 by securing transactions, ensuring data privacy, and enabling digital identity systems. Public key cryptography and cryptographic signatures are commonly used in Web3 applications. Smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing agreements coded on a blockchain. They automatically execute predefined actions when specific conditions are met. Web3 leverages smart contracts to enable decentralized applications, tokenization, and programmable money. Interoperability. Web3 aims to enable seamless interoperability between different decentralized applications and protocols. This means that users can interact and transfer data or assets across various platforms without the need for intermediaries. Tokenization. Web3 often involves the use of tokens, which can represent various digital or physical assets. Tokens can be used for ownership rights, access to services, or as a medium of exchange within decentralized ecosystems. Web3 has the potential to revolutionize numerous industries, including finance, supply chain management, social networking, gaming, and more. It promises increased transparency, enhanced privacy, improved security, and user empowerment in the online realm. However, it is still an evolving field, and the full extent of its capabilities is yet to be realized. Next topic about Web3 we will discuss in next videos. Please visit my channel.